Okay then, now I made a huge mistake. I forgot to press the record button and completed the repair without recording it. So we're going to play a little game and insert this bit of video. This was the Maxcom 30E. This is actually a scrap chassis. And what I didn't tell you, look back to my notes, is that the deviation is RV105, and RV105 is that preset just there. I'll just zoom in. Okay, which is that one just there. I will be setting that for an absolute maximum of 2.5 kilohertz. The low power setting, because it's got a 4 watt and a 0.4 watt setting on the front panel, the low power setting is RV102. And RV102 is that preset just there. So we set that for 0.4 watts. The other thing we would normally do is we'd set the S meter, so the RF meter section of it, when we're going to transmit, is actually reading the 4 watts that we've got the radio producing. The RF meter adjustment is that one at the back. So you've got the deviation one just there, and you've got the RF meter back there. And that's when we tilt the set forward and we'd set the meter on transmit for 4 watts. The frequency, which on channel 20 where we set these, would be 27.79125, and the frequency adjustments for the 10.24 crystal is there. That's ct201, and we adjust that for 27.79125. And finally, the radio has an antenna warning arrangement. And what I tend to do to set these up is on transmit, we'll set the preset there to the AWI, the antenna warning indicator light, just lights, and then we'll just back it off till it just extinguishes, and that's the threshold position. And you can always just check for half a second by pulling the antenna socket out, but for 1 second. And there you have it, that's the Maxcom 30E on transmit.